From the side of IMD, there is no orange warning. Only yellow warning is there, which is the lowest category of warning for rainfall of heavy range, that is 6 to 12 centimeters. Apart from that, there is no situation to panic now. This is the lowest category of warning, and we are expecting that to continue for 48 hours. Further, from third day onwards, we are not expecting any warning. But we would request public to be updated from our website. If and all there is any chance of change in weather conditions, we'll be updating public very well before that situation arises. So based on today's observation, there are no situations to panic. Only yellow alert is there, that is for heavy rainfall, and that is for 2 days only. Rainfall intensity over Goa has significantly reduced for the past 3 days comparing to what it was in the last week. Last week we were getting very heavy rainfall. That means rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters we were getting at many places over Goa. But for the past 4 days, that intensity has much reduced. And for the past 24 hours, we have received a highest rainfall of only 48 mm. That is lesser than heavy rainfall, and we call it as moderate rainfall. So the system that is affecting for rainfall over Goa as of now is only an offshore trough that is existing from Karnataka coast to Kerala coast. So only this system we are expecting to have some effect on the rainfall over Goa. And as days pass, like in 24 or 48 hours, the rainfall intensity is expected to further reduce. So considering these present observations, we have issued isolated heavy rainfall warning for North and South Goa district for 48 hours. Further, from third day onwards, there are no weather warnings for Goa state. So initially on 12th of August, there was an issue of expected very heavy rainfall over Goa, but that was later updated, and with present situation, there are no very heavy rainfall or orange alert over Goa. Only there is a yellow alert, that is for heavy rainfall exceeding 6 centimeter and reaching maximum to 12 centimeter. That is the lowest category of warning. Yellow warning only is existing for Goa state for next 2 days. As on today, that is on today is 14th August. As on 14th August, the cumulative state average rainfall over Goa is 110 inches. That is actually 18% higher than the normal value which was expected for this particular day, or that is on 14th August. So we can say that a monsoon has been very good over Goa, and at any cost we are expecting there is no chance that the monsoon rain will be less than normal. It has already reached the normal state for rainfall, even for the cumulative value. So as IMD has earlier forecasted, we are expecting monsoon to be normal when it ends on September 31st this year.